Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I know it has been a while since I posted a video, but in this video I have some updates and news for the channel. First, I will talk about what type of video I'm going to make for the channel. Then I'll talk about what I have been doing in the past 1 year. And finally, I'll talk about the product I have launched in the past few years and what those products are doing and how much revenue these products are making for me. These are all SaaS products which I launched in the past 1 year. Speaking of SaaS or software as a service, most of the video I'm going to post on the channel will be about building SaaS and growing SaaS, because this is the industry I have been in the past few years. And of course, I will be making video about how to build SaaS and which technology you can use and some programming videos. But most of them will be about how you can grow your SaaS and how you are going to build and which technology is going to make your life easier to build your SaaS on. In the world of building SaaS, there is a lot of technology that speed up your development. You don't have to do a lot of things yourself, but it is hard to find out where are those software and which one will suit your business. So secondly, this is going to be a bit personal to talk about what I have been doing, but I would love to share what I have been doing in the past 1 year. First of all, during COVID and after COVID, I had two full-time jobs. So one of them was the agency I was working with, and when I was coming home or I was working from home, after finishing all the work, I was working on the personal projects that I had. I get a lot of clients from YouTube, but some of them had some interesting project that I would love to work with. And I was working around 14 hours every single day. After a few months, I realized this is not going to be healthy for me. So I quit the agency job and I started my own agency. Now I have my own agency called CodeinSpire.io, and I have a few clients which I specifically work with. In the past 1 year or two, I tried to hire different types of developer. Some of them didn't do the job properly, and some of them didn't care about the code they are writing. I always tell people, when you write the code, write it as if you are going to support it for the rest of your life. Your code should be clean, it should be refactored, it should be optimized. It's not only good for you. If someone else is going to take over your code, they are going to say that this is the best way they could do it. In the process of hiring different types of developer, I gain a lot of experience, so I will share those in the future videos. So I bought a home, I got married, and then I bought a Tesla. Of course, buying a Tesla is not a flex, and I'm not going to make a video about how I bought a Tesla as a programmer or similar video, but it is something that I always enjoy driving. You know, when you buy something new for a few weeks or a few months, you enjoy using it. Tesla is one of those long-lasting joy that every day when you drive it, you just enjoy driving it. And then in our agency, we build different types of SaaS. And as you know, most of the software that we build are for Shopify. So I built my first Shopify app on May 2022 and I launched it. The idea for this app was not to make money. I had a lot of content on YouTube around how to make your website accessible. So a lot of my clients reach out to me and say, hey, can you work on our website to make it accessible? Then I realized there's a problem. A lot of websites have accessibility issues. Why not I design a tool that will increase the accessibility of their website without me doing the work? So I built a widget for one of my clients and I sold it to them, and then I realized, okay, now I can turn this widget into an app for Shopify and then I can sell it, because a lot of Shopify stores get accessibility issue and lawsuit from the US and also Europe. After launching the app, I put one free plan and one paid plan, and the paid plan was not too expensive. It was just $7.99. As I said, my plan was not to make money, although there are some competitors who charge you $99 per month, but $7.99 was very low. The idea was to test how people are going to use my app and if this is going to fix a lot of problem in the accessibility area for Shopify store, and it did, and now my app is doing very well. So after 1 year and a half, now it is making around 2.2k every month, and that is very good. Of course, this is not a lot compared to other SaaS or software that you might see. A lot of people launch their product in the first month, they get to 10k MRR. But since this was just a test product for me, I'm still happy, and I get a lot of clients on the free plan. I never ask them to upgrade their plan. When they reach out to me, I always support them as if they are a pro plan, and that is my goal for now. But in the future product, I will make sure I put some higher pricing plan for this. So I hired one of the developer who is really good and he's still working with me. I started to ask him if he can build a Shopify app, and that is how he learned. So we built our second app, and that is what he built, and it was about checkout customer survey. I had a client who had already an app, but the app did not have the feature they wanted. So I built this app and added all the features they want, and we went live with that app. That was just a test app and testing my developer to see how good he is and how well he is going to write the code for the app. And it was really good app. And then we launched our third app, which went live last month, and this is for checkout and checkout extensibility on Shopify Plus. This is only for Shopify Plus, and growing this app is a little bit hard because not all the clients is going to pay you. This app also comes with a free plan. Since Shopify Plus users are already paying $2,000 every month, it is easy for them to use provision of our app, because we are bringing a lot of updates. We are making sure the checkout experience is smooth and how easily they can customize it. So all the experience I gained over the year of customizing checkout in Shopify, we put all of them in the app, and thinking of making an app that is easy for the user to use. So yeah, that's it, all the update about the channel, and I try my best to make at least 1 or 2 videos every week. And I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you get inspired by creating your own software as a service one day. And yeah, that's my goal. If you have any question, you can always reach out to me, and please let me know what you think in the comment below. Thank you.